Violet, promoting diversity, equity, and inclusion. Our year culminated beautifully with one of our most meaningful 3-in-1 projects at the Institute of Mental Health. What began as a simple visit became a celebration of inclusion. Recognizing the achievements of the sports department, we presented a gently used computer and printer with new monitor, keyboard, and mouse, hoping that technology would become another doorway to opportunity. More about the tree plantation drive soon. Perhaps the most unforgettable moment was our sound therapy session, organized with Harmony Wellness and Healing Company. For nearly an hour, 30 inmates laid down peacefully immersed in sound therapy. The doctors told us that they had never seen the inmates remain so calm and not walk away. We were equally moved. The joy continued with ISO Uma Yuvaraj's Lahasya session, where laughter echoed through the hall. Sharing Kaju Katli with inmates, tulsi plants, and our lovingly hand-painted diyas with the doctors and staff completed a day that reminded us that inclusion is about creating spaces where everyone belongs. Our commitment to inclusion continued at Anandam Free Special School, where 92 children with autism and intellectual disabilities experienced the calming magic of another sound therapy session. Children who had been restless gradually relaxed, explored the instruments, and smiled with curiosity. It became a soulful experience for every one of us. Together with 16 clubs, we also participated in the Vriksh Joint project led by Inner Wheel Club of Tiruvannur, celebrating the remarkable work done for children with special needs and reminding ourselves that service becomes even more meaningful when clubs unite. Indigo, supporting the next generation. Supporting children and young adults became one of the largest pillars of our year. Our journey this year began with the Silver Jubilee celebrations of our treasurer-led event, Mandopil Marilayoli. Our members supported handling 28 children from AIWC school who enjoyed a memorable day filled with mangoes, games, certificates, delicious food and laughter. With webinar Teen Connect Kadaipoma, we created something very special. An open conversation on adolescence led by eminent pediatricians Dr. Vijay Rani and Dr. Jayashree Ashwath in 2 different cities. IWC of Vellore and Vellore North contributed towards raising awareness among schools in their city. 86 parents and grandparents participated. Our members helped young Pavitra with her 6th standard fees. Through Edu Wings to Fly, grateful to all 7 clubs who joined hands to support Jayashree, an aviation student whose dream was in danger of ending because of financial constraints. Particularly thankful to Nandini of Sunshine, who helped secure 50,000 through a friend from Rotary, and Shanti of IWC Adyar, who helped in trying to secure a bank loan for her. Watching multiple clubs, Rotary friends and generous donors from mates come together to share her fees of $1 lakh plus per term reaffirmed our belief that no dream should stop for lack of opportunity. Soon after, we supported Ritika, who after completing history chose to pursue a BCA to improve her future prospects. As we handed over the check, she made a promise to help another student when she was well established in life. We were happy to take the Meri Kitab project of the district to Venkatramana Primary School, where we highlighted the different activities like Surya Namaskar and good habits in the book. We encouraged the children to create a summer holidays log in this book. Through the Gunavati Ramachandran Trust, we supported bright student Kanimuri's tuition fees, continuing a relationship that began when our club had supported her family with monthly rations and a wheelchair for her father. We participated in a joint project, Jeevani, of IWC of Symphony, where young tribal children would get nutritious snacks and food, enabling them to engage in their lives with vigor. We also addressed one of today's greatest concerns through Think Before You Click, where we collaborated and IPP Deepa Duraiswamy of IWC Presidency engaged high school students of Beyond 8 in an eye-opening cybersecurity awareness program, encouraging them to become responsible digital citizens. We also gifted board games and essential accessories to nearly 15 girls at a Gurukulam-type residential school down south, supporting their holistic education, rooted in both modern learning and Indic values. Our outreach also included providing cow fodder to animal shelters, which serendipitously led us to children attending free Silambam classes along the canal bank. Delighted to encourage them with seasonal mangoes, we were equally inspired by their enthusiasm and remarkable skills. Another beautiful reminder of the unexpected connections and joy that inner wheel brings into our lives. Vibgyor Green, protecting our environment. Our environmental journey began with an online microgreens workshop conducted by Rotarian Kannagi Prabhakaran of our parent club, teaching families how to grow healthy microgreens at home. The plantation drive at the Institute of Mental Health brought us back to nature. For our 3-in-1 unique project, we watched IMH inmates who excel in athletics also inspire us with a deep knowledge of gardening skills. We planted IPP Vandana's homegrown saplings of mango, lemon, date, and alongside them with director Dr. Malayappan planting a coconut sapling, while inmate Venkatesan proudly shared his knowledge of the trees around the campus. Our members participated in the Jade project of Central Aditya and helped plant 80 saplings across hospitals, schools, and defense establishments. IPP Vandana saplings found their way to these as well, small beginnings for a greener tomorrow. Vibgyor Yellow, palliative care. One of the creative, heartfelt projects of our year was Diya Divas for Diwali, raising funds for cancer-affected children at Child's Trust Hospital. Our members and children lovingly painted diyas, created seed balls, and sold 61 eco-friendly seed Ganeshas at our installation and Symphony Bazaar. A fundraiser with the Mandala Art Session for the district and artist Preeti Ganeriwala donating her proceeds as well helped raise funds. In addition to the profit, loving shares from family and friends enabled us to donate 25,000 rupees to children undergoing cancer treatment at Child's Trust Hospital. Alongside the donation came sound healing session, Hasya Yoga by ISO Uma Yuvraj, nutritious millet supplements from our entrepreneur member, meaningful gifts, and emotional support for both children and parents. Sometimes healing begins not with medicine, but with hope. We participated in Project Hope with IWC Beach Aster, where we shared for buying a medicinal trolley for cancer patients at Cancer Hospital, Adyar. On World TB Day, at the PHC, our members came together to meet 20 TB patients and share tips with them about preventive care, use of yoga and mudras to care for their lungs, and gave them protein-rich kanji mavu and peanut brittle. We stood in solidarity with patients and healthcare workers by supporting awareness and community health initiatives. Vibgyor Orange, caring for the elderly. Whether it was sponsoring lunch for 110 senior citizens at Anandam Senior Citizens Home in Ambattur, supporting the women of Nimmadi, War Widows Association, with a gas stove and sleeping mats, distributing blankets to homeless elders during the rains, or spending joyful afternoons playing games at Annai Anbalayam, every visit reminded us that aging hearts still long for companionship. Vibgyor Red, Women, Health and Community. Women's well-being remained close to our hearts. We celebrated Teachers' Day and Onam at AIWC School, with Vandana honoring the educators who shape young lives. Our Women's Day celebrations at our VP Dr. Radhika's Tosh Hospital featured inspiring talks by cancer conqueror Mrs. Neerja Malik and health awareness sessions by Dr. Radhika Meka, encouraging women to prioritize preventive health care. Vitamin D testing was done for our members on the day. On World Menstrual Hygiene Day, we visited Narbavi Trust, where Dr. Radhika spoke openly with women at the creche about menstrual health, distributing sanitary pads and nutrition bars, and creating awareness about menstrual hygiene. We participated in Project Shakti with IWC Adyar, where tribal mothers would be given nutritious food to enable birthing a healthy next generation. Also with IWC North, where new moms were given protein-rich pulses at a PHC. Throughout the year, our members embraced the spirit of giving by contributing generously in cash and kind. Many marked their family milestones by sponsoring meals for children and adults while continuing our IPP's Dhanam initiatives by extending support to children, elderly, and animals. Our club collected and donated clothes to Tuli, and unique establishment, enabling underprivileged families to enjoy a dignified shopping experience. Finally, our year concluded with Polio Drops Day, where our members sponsored lunch for 50 healthcare workers serving Bhimannapuram PHC across 11 immunization centers, a fitting conclusion to a year dedicated to service.